Today, we're talking about I/O, returning to the office with Chrome, and a few AI updates. I'm Alicia, and welcome to This Week in Cloud, where we serve you the lowest latency news. We've all been working from home for a while now, and as we get back to the office, ChromeOS will help us make that a seamless transition. At Google, we'll be moving to a hybrid work week where most Googlers spend approximately 3 days in the office and 2 days wherever they work best. It's no surprise that as the modern, secure, cloud-first platform, ChromeOS is playing a key role in our transition to a hybrid work model. Because ChromeOS devices can easily be shared, more flexible working models and spaces are now possible. We're excited to announce that we've made Contact Center AI even stronger with Agent Assist for Chat, now in public preview. Agent Assist provides your human agents with continuous support during their calls, and now chats, by identifying the customer's intent and providing them with real-time recommendations, such as articles and FAQs, as well as responses to customer messages to more effectively resolve the conversation. PyTorch is an open-source machine learning and deep learning library predominantly used in research, and has gained tremendous traction in the industry as well due to its ease of use and deployment. Google Cloud AI Platform is a fully managed end-to-end platform for data science and machine learning on Google Cloud. In this new series of blog posts, PyTorch on Google Cloud, we aim to share how to build, train, and deploy PyTorch models at scale, and how to create reproducible machine learning pipelines on Google Cloud. I/O was last week, and if you missed the virtual event, be sure to check out the technical talks on your favorite product YouTube pages. If you want to read more about these announcements or see a full list, check out the link. Any thoughts or ideas? Leave us a comment or tweet us. We'll see you in the cloud.